You might never think about this, but today's video is one of the best free training I've actually done in my channel. I'm gonna do some screen share off Google My Business. So if you're new to a short-term rental business or service accommodation business, you wanna definitely learn to see how this works, how Google My Business works, and how you can yourself get a lot of presence and direct booking to your business. Well, if you're new to the channel, my name is Piers. I run GrowYourBnb.com. I also help in GrowYourBnB, help a lot of operators around the world. We've just worked with a client from Sydney, Bondi Beach, and a lot of clients in the UK actually to achieve brand awareness, high profitable bookings, direct bookings, and long-term bookings. So now I'm gonna take you to my screen and let's have a little run through of what it looks like. So this is one part of Google My Business that you must know about. So firstly, as you can see from my screen, it says there's 527 profile interaction, right? Now, if I'm scrolling down, the first thing I wanna make sure you guys understand behind this is how people discover you, and where I've done a video regarding how your website should be optimized for mobile. This is why. Now you see here that the searches has now been broken down into Google searches being 46%, which is 1,600 of them was done via mobile. However, there is another kind of similar searches for 1,547, which is 44% on desktop, right? So Google searches. So you can see how not only your customers are actually spending time on mobile, they're also spending time on desktop to find your business. But also now it also gives you a breakdown of how those people have used Google Maps on mobile and found this profile for 7%, and then Google Maps on desktop for 3%. Now that kind of gives you a nutshell of how Google is promoting your business, but also how people are finding your profile or your business at the moment. Now on right hand side is where I wanted to show you something which is a lot. Again, 95% of operators do not know how to do this, and I'm very grateful that in GrowYourBnB.com we actually go through this with clients and actually implement their account. So the other thing I want to show you here is this is searches, which says 296 searches that's been triggered on their business profile. Now the main thing here is we realize how the keywords such as luxury stay or hotel stay or luxury central city London apartment, these are all the keywords that your customers are searching for while your profile is actually being found. So really useful tool that a lot of operators actually don't know where to find in Google My Business. Now, however, again, something that you must be aware of is out of that results, you also want to know how many phone calls you've had throughout that time, right? You also definitely want to know how many bookings you've converted if you've got a booking platform. It also will tell you how many directions throughout the month somebody has asked for your property. Now, this is where I'm very grateful. Again, when we create our Grow Your BnB profile for our clients, these are something that we cover in detail, and as a result of this is where our customers actually get a lot more long-term direct bookings. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was really excited to put this together because I've looked online and we haven't seen something like this before. So my team was really grateful to put this together, and actually we are able to showcase that it's not about just listing Google, but really to see what you can see today in terms of the back ends. Actually using that into your website is a lot more advantage to your business. Now, something I do want to share while I'm here is we've actually done a very, I think I'm probably speechless at that time, but you probably watched that from that video, but it was a very great video. We've done something out of my business, something out of property in general, something that I'm really looking forward to share. We filmed it for the sake of filming it, to be honest. It wasn't planned, but it's very exciting. I think that will touch a lot of people, it will touch a lot of hearts, and yeah, I'm really excited to share that. So look, please make sure you are subscribed to this video, to the channel, because the next few videos you'll see something very special launching to this channel. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is Piers. I am from GrowYourBnB.com, and yeah, I'll be back with another video soon.